Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are great today. I'm going to read an interesting story, The Bee and the Bird. Once upon a time, a thirsty bee flew to a beautiful lake to drink water. As she struggled to stay afloat, a kind bird saw her in trouble and flew down with a leaf. The bird dropped the leaf in the water and the bee climbed onto it, saving her life. A few days later, the bird was caught in a hunter's net. Remembering the bird's kindness, the bee buzzed around the hunter and stung him on his hand. Startled, the hunter dropped the net and the bird flew away to freedom. The moral that we learned from this short and sweet story is always help others in need, for kindness returns when you least expect it. Thank you so much for being there and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.